2020 Dodge Ram Hemi 1500, 5.7 liter limited, crew cab. It's got less than 44 miles on it. Still got the stock converters. Then they come with the new setup on it. That comes with a resonator in the middle. Then it's 3-inch all the way back to a 3-inch by 3-inch FLOWMASTer 10 series we put on it right there. Then it comes 3-inch, and what's surprising is it wides out into 2-inch tailpipes. I've never seen that on a Dodge, but the new ones, that's how they come. It's 2-inch with 2 resonators, one here, and right there, there's the Y where it comes up. And there's what we did. We did a muffler replacement with a FLOWMASTer. If you guys want that type of FLOWMASTer, just we'll leave a link in the comments. Let you guys hear it in a minute. It comes into 3.5-inch tips, right there and right there. What do you think?
Seems a little low.
You want to you go rev it.
Okay.
Tell me what you think. Let him rev it. He wants to see if it's. That's the muffler we took off of it.
One more? Seems kind of quiet. You think so?
So take it here, bring it back, it out. Take it down the road.
Okay.
See how you like it and bring it back.
Okay.
That's the true test anyways, is taking it down the road.
I appreciate that.
Yeah. Those resonators take a lot of the sound away.
On the back they do?
Yeah. It's got a muffler. Hello? Hello? I would do a FLOWMASTer Super 10 on it. They sound about the best. Yeah. They do. If you want to go on our channel, we have a YouTube channel. It's called Exhaust Addicts. All right, so after he took it down the road, we decided it's too quiet still. So we took off the back 2 resonators also, as you guys can see right there, and replaced them with 2 1/4 pipe. There's the 2 resonators and the muffler. Look, they're a cute pair. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. It's deeper. Yeah.
Definitely a little bit deeper.
Give it a little bit gas. Let's see. Just like 2,000 maybe, not that much. Oh yeah, it's so much better. Yeah, go ahead and back it up. Just park it here. Much better. You want to guide him up? Guide him out. No, from the front. Sounds at idle. Oh, it sounds sick. Yes, sir, we do. On that, they'd be looking about 175 to 225 each. Yes, sir. Yeah. But that's installed and everything. Yes, sir. Yeah, if you need piping, it's more money.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the